Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the end user director for ASUS UK and the Chrome specialist for Europe. ASUS have a range of ruggedized units from 11.6 inch, 12.2 and 14 inch. These cover Chrome and Windows spaces. Schools find challenges with devices breaking or the kids destroying them with the way they treat them. So our rugged range has been designed to take that into account. They're not indestructible, but they have features and designs to make it easy to repair and easy to service if they are broken. We have a DNA that is made up of a number of tests that we have as standard across the range, from drop tests, spill resistant tests. So it means that if you accidentally spill liquid over the device, it's not a problem, it will still continue to work. We have hinge tests, II tests, ruggedness tests. The ports are reinforced on all the devices and they have reinforced fuel injection rubber surrounds to make sure that they are cushioned from drops and spills. Pick resistant keyboards. They have a grab handle generally on all the devices, so it makes it easier to hold for kids. And they're ground built to be an education focused device. Should the worst happen, the design of the units are modular, so that means any school can repair it themselves. The parts are readily available and they're designed with a teardown guide available online to show you where the screws are, where to pry, how to get into the device and how to replace certain key modules, e.g. keyboards, screens, touchpads, batteries. Schools are really impressed by the rugged features of our devices. They like the modularity, they like the serviceability, they love the durability of the devices. And with the ever-increasing budget constraints, the ability to be able to service them and keep them usable for their estate is the most important thing for the schools. Schools that are looking to introduce IT for their students, speak to us. We can help to introduce you to other schools that have been down that journey with you. No one school is the same, so getting and hearing that experience is invaluable to you. But we'll help to guide you along that journey, find the right unit and find the right spec for you, and work with you to find the right solution.